RapidsealSL. This is a 10-year written warranty lap sealant. We scrape off of all the old product. As you can see, some water damage in here already from prior. Look at that, just flows out real nice. Great coverage. Only applied by certified facilities in order to give you the 10-year warranty. But you will be amazed by the longevity of this product, the flexibility and the adhesion. There it is, folks. RapidsealSL by RVSeal.com.